Okay guys, I'm going to teach you how to open a document and how to create and edit or use artboards. Okay, let's click on create new. Now where it says untitled 1 over here, just highlight that and delete it, and then type in a new name for your document. Okay, you can change your width and your height over here for your artboards. And yeah, you can change the length unit. Let's choose inches for this one. Just click on that. Okay, yeah, you can change your orientation. You can choose portrait or you can choose landscape. But for now, let's choose landscape. Oh yeah, you can change how many artboards you're going to start with. So just remove the number 1 there and put 2. Okay, this is where you can change your bleed. The bleed is just used for printing, so if you have a background color, then it's going to let it go past the edges so it can fill the whole page when it's printed and won't leave any open spaces on the side. Now click on advanced options. Now yeah, you can change the color mode. You can choose CMYK or RGB. CMYK is used for printing and RGB I should say, is used for the web. Let's use CMYK for now. You can change your raster effects quality over here. Let's just leave it on 300 ppi. Okay, and let's just leave this preview mode on default for now. And then press create. Okay, now you can see your 2 artboards here. Okay, move your cursor to the bottom and click and drag the small oval along the bar, and then you can move around. Okay, your tool panel's on the left, so select the artboard tool there by left clicking on the symbol there on the panel, or you can just press Shift and O actually, Shift and O for the shortcut. Now press V to switch to the selection tool, which is the default tool. Now on the panel on the right, which is called the properties panel, just click on this where it says edit artboards. And now you can change the name for your selected artboard here. Let's just type in a new name. Okay, below that you can choose some preset sizes, and on the right you can choose your orientation again, portrait or landscape, and just above that there's an icon to create a new artboard. Just click on that one. Now you should have the artboard tool selected already. Now just left click and drag to move the artboard around. You can just move it anywhere that you want to move it. Okay, now let's leave this artboard selected. Let's go to the properties panel here, and there's a little trash can symbol. Click on that and then it will be deleted. Now click on the second artboard here and push the trash can symbol and it'll delete it as well. Now click on the create new artboard symbol on the properties panel here, and then you're going to have another one, and now press the trash can to delete it. So that's how you make and delete artboards. You can also make a new artboard by just clicking and dragging like this by using your artboard tool. And then you can just make it any size you want it to be. Okay, near the top of the properties panel, you can change the position with where it says X and Y over here. And you can also change the size. Okay, now let's give it another name. Okay, now you'll see your artboard name will appear in the small area there on the top left corner of the artboard. And that's basically how you use artboards.